Hello, I am Dr. Ian Flozzato. Today we're going to talk about an interesting variant of the Monty Hall probability paradox. You may have heard of the three-door version of this paradox for the Monty Hall game show Let's Make a Deal. Anyway, here is the variant. There are originally 90 closed doors with a car behind one of them and goes behind the rest. The contestant selects 9 doors, say 1 through 9, without opening them. The host, who knows where the car is, which is a crucial assumption in this problem, always opens 80 of the 81 non-selected doors without revealing the car. If all 81 doors have ghosts, the host then just opens 80 doors at random. It turns out that the host opens doors 11 through 90. The contestant is given the choice between opening all of doors 1 through 9 or opening only door number 10 instead. The contestant wins the car by opening the door with the car. For each choice, what is the contestant's probability of winning the car? Which choice, if any, is better for the contestant? Now pause the video and see what you think about this problem. Then resume the video to see the solution. The host can always open 80 of the 81 non-selected doors without revealing the car. That is because of the assumption that the host knows where the car is. So the overall probability that the car is behind any of doors 1 through 9, even after the host opens the 80 doors, is still 9 out of 90 or 1 out of 10. Furthermore, by symmetry, the conditional probability that the car is behind any of doors 1 through 9 does not depend on which combination of 80 doors the host opens. Therefore, given that the host opens doors 11 through 90, if the contestant chooses to open all of doors 1 through 9, then the contestant wins the car with a surprisingly low probability of 1 out of 10. If the contestant chooses to open only door number 10 instead, then the contestant wins the car with a surprisingly high probability of 9 out of 10. Opening only door number 10 is a much better choice for the contestant. How amazing! After the host opens doors 11 through 90, door number 10 alone has a much greater value than doors 1 through 9 combined.